Hey guys, we have this year 2000 Toyota Camry. We just did a oil pump and a timing belt kit in this. Also the water pump, but this is gonna be for sale. And the windshield is cracked. If you can see, the sun is too bright, but I hope you can see it. From the top, follow my finger. Crack from here all the way up here, and it goes down all the way here. It will pass the inspection. However, I just want to make sure it's, the car looking good before we sell it. So you can see from here, you can see the crack from the inside here. And it goes down here. So pretty clean car. We're waiting for the guy who's gonna replace it, and said 4 o'clock. It's already past 4, but we'll see when they arrive. We're gonna check how they get it done. All right, so here they are. These are the guys. Galvan Auto Glass Repair. And with this one, they were saying that the edge has a rivet on this one. The rivets, and this is just for cosmetic. It's not really doing anything, so they're just gonna pop that rivet and put a glue in it, and hopefully it doesn't leak. He said it's not gonna leak. But yeah, we'll let them do what they can do. Alright guys, that's about my mistake. They're still gonna put this little piece here. It's just the rivet's not gonna be there. Still gonna have this glue. So they are removing it right now. And put it back. So you're gonna remove the windshield wiper first. Make it easier. So that's what it looks like, guys. Okay, that's out. It's still good coming back once the glass is removed.
We'll put glue here too, and a little bit here.
Okay.
So we'll try to tuck it in right.
So it's still gonna be sealed pretty good. All right. So the glue goes to the glass, by the glass, glue by the glass, and by the edge of here. So that's really good. It's a one-man job. I think it's two-man job, right? It has to be two-man job at least.
If you have good equipment, it's a one-man job.
Oh yeah, the safe light thing had the, yeah. So, and doing the other side too. Show the rivets. Let's pop in the rivet real quick. There you go, one out. There you go. And this is the last rivet right here. There you go. So the top trim is removed, and they said they're gonna have a new one here, and they're pretty universal. So it's gonna have a new one. The only thing I'm having hard time is this is removing that glue. Little. You guys pretty good with that?
Especially because you got it in the sun.
Okay.
Flat, it's gonna be light.
Okay. Because they have like a wire and they have this little hook. I guess you gotta used to it. What you got? So what you got? Let me see what you got. Let's see.
You just have a tongue to take it off, but it broke the other day.
So he had a little blade. Okay. You know what? I can't believe some people get it from the junkyard and put it back on. I was like, that's a lot of work.
Especially because you don't want to crack it.
You guys have done it without cracking it?
Yeah, we have.
But it takes longer, right?
Yeah, you
Be more gentle.
Careful.
Yeah.
You can't be pushing it too much. It'll just snap.
Yeah. All right, this guy start removing it. And for me, this is the hard part. That's why I'm calling the professional for this. There you go. That's pretty quick. So once you got it started, someone get a cut. Right. But I know it's not easy still. This one went on the bottom side already, and start pulling that one out. All right, almost got it. Just the bottom side left, then it's about to come out. We got FedEx guy jamming here. What's up, man? You jamming, man?
How you been?
I'm all right. This is my guy right here, man. Say hey to my
What's going on, people? How
subscribers.
y'all doing, man?
There you go.
Shout out to my man's right here, bro. He do his thing. Let me get you right, man.
All
How
right.
you been, man? How you
I'm
been?
all right. They're taking care of me.
I feel that.
They're the pro, so
Pro.
yeah. I could do it, but
Nah, I
Live
feel
forever.
that. Okay, nah. That's actually pretty cool. I ain't
Yeah.
never seen him do this before.
I'm gonna give them some customers too. There you go. Start to come out. Just leave it here, man. That's good. It's coming out. All right, it's coming out. That cutting the bottom, and that should coming out. And then we get a new one about to go in here. All right, that is out. New one about to go in. Still have a few glass left here, but they're gonna cut it off and then get a new one in. All right, they're cleaning it up now. Getting all the old gaskets out. Make sure it's pretty clean so the new glue will stick a lot better, so you won't have any leaks. There you go, guys. Start to put the bead. If you don't mind, I'll be here right here. Yes, and then you're gonna come around on the other side. Yeah, they're tasting it. If it tastes good, you know. If it tastes chocolate, that means that's good. If it's vanilla, you need to put a little bit more. All right. Good. All right, so this one, it takes about what, 1.5 with that cartridge. So 1.5 the cartridge. So you can see there's a pretty thick beads there. Then here's the new windshield. Putting the trim from the top. As you can see, this is the old one. That's no good no more. All right, all the beads are in. All right, ready to go. It's going in.
Bring him over here.
Okay. There you go. Make sure there's no air pockets, right? Man, those that look good. This car look good now. See the bead sticking out, that's good. That's what you want. Alright guys, this is almost done. So you can see they're just putting this tape here to hold this trim on top so it won't pop out. Until tomorrow should be good to go. Putting all the panels and it's pretty much done. Alright, start putting the trim on the side. And that's the trim that holds it for the side of the glass. And the other side is gonna go in too. Alright, almost done guys. You can see got a trim on it. You just have to put the rear view mirror and tighten down all the wiper blades. Guys, so that's it. They finished it pretty much in less than 30 minutes and this guy's pretty good.
So,
Kevin and Marvin, here you go guys.
body shop right here.
There's the body shop.
If you need anything, let us know.
The body shop, I know them. The body shop, I've heard of that. Okay,
Shout out
there
to
you go.
AutoPurlieu.
AutoPurlieu.
Having us. Thanks so
Appreciate
much.
it guys. Till next time, don't forget, like and subscribe guys.